it's Tay of ShawntePlans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be filming for the week of June 8th to the 14th and using the fabulous birthday kit from Crafts By Thaowie because Saturday, June 13th is my birthday and I am so excited. Cannot wait to use this kit. I have been waiting to do this spread since I first saw this kit and fell in love with it. These are the full boxes. I think they're so gorgeous. I am in love with the colors. This is like the total aesthetic that I have my planner room decorated in with the pink, gold, and black. Very much my colors, and this kit is just designed so perfectly for someone like me. So love all the fashion elements and the design of these full boxes. On this page, we have amazing half boxes, page flags, gorgeous cut washi, and some more flags up there. On this page, we have the bottom washi, and this top piece of the bottom washi is scalloped. So gorgeous. And then I'm loving these Chanel icon washis where it's just like the single Chanel icon right in the center. So cute, so stylish, and a nice change from the typical bow headers that we usually get. And then we've got our date covers up here. On this page, we've got icons, quarter boxes, habit trackers, her weekly cleaning tracker, this would normally be a Monday through Sunday tracker. It doesn't have the days listed, but that's actually fine because it's going to give you just a full box, sort of like a full box checklist. And then we've got blank headers and some scripts. And then I'm also going to pull in this deco sheet, and this is from the Sweet Planner. I felt like the flowers would complement it well, and then there's some very cute fashionable Chanel type things that tie into the design of this kit. This kit did have a deco sheet that was available to purchase separately, but as you guys know, if you've seen my haul videos, I'm a big fan of purchasing deco sheets from the Sweet Planner because her florals just give me life and inspire me so much, and I cannot wait to put them on the page. So let's go ahead and get started on this spread and see how this comes out. So I'm going to get started the way I usually do by putting down my base, which includes the bottom washi, date covers, and then I'll move on to my sidebar. But while I'm doing that, I wanted to say thank you guys so much. You guys were so sweet to me with all of the birthday wishes on Instagram, and then also so nice on my last video. I just put up my sticker storage collection video, and I was so nervous about that intro because I did something a little bit different, and I was thinking in my head people are going to be like, what does that have to do with a sticker storage? But you guys really seem to like it, so thank you for being nice to me and just rolling with that one with me because I had so much fun doing it. It was like just a random thought that came to my head and I thought, oh, this could be fun. So I did it, and thankfully you guys weren't like, oh my God, that's crazy. So anyways, that said, let's get into this spread. So I've got my bottom washi and my date covers down, and now I'm going to add these headers. I specifically bought this Simply Gilded washi for these headers for this spread. I really wanted to pull in black headers, these single gold bows. Thought it was so stylish and would really complement this kit so well, and I love it. The way it looks just came out so perfect. Then moving into my sidebar, I'm putting down a piece of the deco from the Sweet Planner at the top and then layering the June script from Rose Color Days on top of that. I'm going to add my full box here. I put down that scalloped, what is that, like washi strip, and I'm going to lift that up. I was trying to find the right balance of pink and black and gold in the sidebar and trying to get all of those colors in the sidebar in a way that just kind of worked well because there were a lot of black elements, black sidebar elements that came in the kit. And so I was trying to get the right balance of those three colors. So I ended up switching some things around a little bit, but I really like how it all came together once I figured it out. So I started with the full box that had the cake and that adorable necklace. And then I added another one of those Simply Gilded washi strips. And now I'm going to start building my dinner section of my sidebar, which used that Monday through Sunday tracker. And then I added one of the quarter boxes as a header where I would put the script for dinners. Next, I'm going to place down this washi strip with the Chanel icon on it, and it was in that gorgeous blush color, which I loved to help break up some of the black that was happening. And then the habit trackers that came with the kit were gray, which they were so cute, but I kind of wanted to keep the sidebar to just black, blush, and gold. And so I opted to use these gold foiled habit trackers that I have from Netty Designs, and I put those down, and then that divider in between them is also from Netty Designs. You guys know I love that divider. It's like my favorite one. I use it in just about every spread. I'm kind of obsessed with it. So I put down 2 habit trackers, then added another one of those dividers. I cut down the cleaning checklist that came with the kit because that was what fit in the bottom section there, basically why I cut it down. And so, but it actually also worked out perfectly because those 3 things that were on the list are pretty much all I got done. The other 4 items that were on that list, rather ambitious. And yeah, I wasn't that productive this week. So yeah, I don't feel that bad about cutting that down. Now that my sidebar is done, I'm moving over to put down my weekend banner, and I used 2 of those black washi strips from the kit to give a background, and then I added another one of those deco pieces from the Sweet Planner, and the weekend banner is from Netty Designs. And I'm just going to take my craft knife here and cut off where that deco piece hangs over the edge so that it fits neatly inside of the box. Going to get started on my day by day now, starting with Monday, and I'm putting down a half box from the kit, layering a laptop in the bottom corner, and just going to keep track as I have been for 13 weeks now. 13 weeks? 12 weeks. It's week 12 of working from home. See, this is why I have to write this down, because I just be making up numbers of what week it is. And so I needed to also approve my time card, which is what I have to do on the Mondays of the weeks that I get paid. So it's always a fun thing to make sure I remind myself to do on Mondays, because it means that Friday I'm going to get money. Underneath there, I used another one of those floral deco pieces and layered a planner on top of it. I was uploading my Erin Condren Plan With Me on YouTube. I had done a collab with my B6, so I put that up over the weekend for last weekend, and I usually upload my EC spreads on Sundays, but I moved this one to Mondays because I had done a really fun collab the week before with Shani of Planning Like a Pro. Then I put down another one of those black washi strips, or headers, excuse me, and layered a really cute like gold confetti overlay on top of it, which I thought was so festive and perfect for like a birthday spread. Then added the full box. That lace trim sticker is from Honey Inked. And then I'm putting down one of the banner strips from the kit. And oh my gosh, I'm marking a podcast that I listened to, and this got so much attention on Instagram. It was the craziest thing because the name of the podcast that I listened to is We Bought a House. And I posted like a close-up shot of that on Instagram, and I got so many people congratulating me and asking me if I moved, if I bought a house. And I was like, wait, what? Oh man, that was hilarious because I've been marketing that podcast for some time, but I think this was like the first time I did a close-up photo of it on Instagram, and it really confused people. Sorry about that. I did not buy a house. It's just the name of a really great podcast that I love listening to. And they did not upload a new episode. So I pre-planned, and I'd marked that I was going to listen to that podcast because I love listening to it, and they usually upload new episodes on Mondays, but they have been taking a break just because of all of the Black Lives Matter stuff and wanting to amplify Black voices and what's going on in society right now. And so there haven't been new episodes of that podcast for the last 2 weeks. I am hoping they come back. While I do, of course, appreciate and love the support of Black Lives Matter, and I support it myself, I also would like to hear my podcast. Does that seem selfish? I'm sorry if it is. I don't mean to be. Okay, sorry. Back to Monday. I finished up by marking something I needed to do for work, and then my bar workout with those ballet slippers from Crafts by Thaowie. Put down the full boxes on Tuesday and Wednesday. And then on Tuesday, I'm adding this cute little rose accented box from Panda Bird Design. And I'm going to layer a little Sniffles tissue box on top of it. It's not called a Sniffles tissue box. It's just a tissue box, but I want to call it a Sniffles tissue box now. Anyways, so that's what I put down there. My husband was not feeling well. And it wasn't like COVID or anything like that. He had like upset stomach, and he was like super sick. I felt so bad for him. So I marked that in my planner, and now I'm taking one of these deco pieces. I thought I was going to slice it in half, and I thought I'd want the top half of that, but then I realized the bottom half that I had lifted up would look really nice lined up right underneath that third box I'd put down, so that's what I did. And then I'm going to take my craft knife and trim off where it hangs over the sides of that column so that it fits neatly. Next, I'm putting down a half box from the kit. I'm going to layer a little scalloped corner from Panda Bird Design on top of that, and then also layer a camera icon from Sweet Bella XOXO. I wanted to do some filming that day. I knew I wanted to film my sticker storage collection for you guys, and I had gotten the idea for the intro, and so I wanted to start working on filming that, so because I was really hoping to have that up by my birthday, which I was able to do, so I was so excited that that worked out. But yes, that day I was getting started on filming different shots and trying to work out what I wanted to do and how to pull that video together. And then I put down another one of those black headers from the kit, and then that mandala is from Honey Inked. And oh my goodness, can we take a second and talk about those black headers really quickly, because they were so simple, because they were just black with no detail on them at all. But it was something about like the paper and the texture of the paper in this kit. They almost looked and felt like suede, and I underestimated how chic those were going to look on the page. And I'm not regretting putting the confetti headers over them, because I really liked that extra festiveness for my birthday. But oh my God, that header by itself with just the black, it is so chic and so sophisticated and sexy. And okay, I'm sorry for like verbally harassing that sticker, but it's gorgeous. Okay, moving on to Wednesday, I started by putting down that work scallop from Panda Bird Design, which made me so excited, because if you saw my haul, I had no idea how I was going to use those or what kit they would coordinate with, and it worked for this spread, which of course made me happy. That one of those headphones are from Tassel Planner. Her shop is closed now. I've been listening to a lot of James Arthur this week. I just kind of started getting into his music, and I love it. I marked my midweek post with that Instagram icon from Artbox Stickers and a quarter box from the kit. I used a page flag and then the cutlery icon to mark washing dishes. That cutlery icon is from the Pretty Pink Co. And then that little reminder box is from Crafts by Thaowie, not a part of the kit, but also from Crafts by Thaowie, as well as the little pin icon that I used to remind myself to finish up a presentation that I needed to do for work for a meeting that I was going to have on Thursday. So I am putting down my full boxes for the second half of the week and just scattering those. And so I put the cute little fashion girl in her gorgeous outfit on Thursday. You guys know I love putting my favorite full box on Thursday, and it tends to be, if there's a fashion girl in the kit, it tends to be my favorite box. So now that all of the full boxes are down, I'm adding another one of those lace trim stickers from Honey Inked to the bottom of the full box on Thursday. Then placing a half box from the kit. Going back to what I was saying about the meeting we were going to have for work, we did a Google Hangouts meeting with my team, and it opened with my presentation, which was great because I had finished getting prepared the day before and was totally ready for that, and so it went well. Underneath that half box, I am placing down another one of those floral deco pieces from the Sweet Planner and adding another planner layered on top of it. There was a Black Lives Matter planner challenge that was going on this week, and I did not have a just black and white kit, but I really wanted to participate in the challenge, so I ended up doing it in my PP Weeks planner because that planner is so small that like I don't have to have a full kit with a bunch of full boxes to really pull together a great spread. And so I was able to participate in the challenge, and I uploaded my video on Thursday. Underneath there, I'm adding a quarter box to mark a trip to the UPS store to return something that my husband had bought on Amazon. Then adding another one of those Netty Design dividers and using this really cute washi strip from the kit. I loved the detail with that gold embellishment on top of it. So gorgeous. And then adding a little tripod camera icon from Artbox Stickers to mark that I was again working on filming my sticker storage video and trying to get that finished up. And then starting on Friday, I'm putting down another one of those work scallops from Panda Bird Design, and then adding this striped washi strip which matched the bottom washi, and also just like the bold graphic detail of black and white on the page is just so visually striking. And that might just be me, but I just love that so much. I'm layering a wallet from the GP Studio, and the Payday script is from the kit. Then I'm going to take another one of those dividers from Netty Designs, place that underneath that washi strip, and add a box from Panda Bear Design. And I'm going to layer a little money stack icon from Tassel Planner. Her shop is now closed, but there are so many other great shops to get little money icons from. So I'm sure you'd be able to find something similar. And I'm just using that to mark paying bills, because such is adult life. You get all excited because it's payday, and then you're reminded that you have to pay bills. So yeah, that happened. Put down another one of those headers and layered the confetti overlay on top of it, adding a half box to mark a movie night. So I'm going to use the little movie night chair with the popcorn from the kit, and I just relaxed and watched movies with my husband, which is a great way to end my Friday evening. Above that, I'm going to add an edit plan with me script from Letters to Apollo. And then drum roll, please, the day we've all been waiting for. It's all been leading up to this Saturday, my birthday. No, I'm just kidding. That was way too dramatic. Anyways, Saturday, I'm starting by putting down a half box and layering this cute little PJs icon. My husband's so sweet, and I knew he was going to give me like breakfast in bed. So I put that down and marked that in my planner. And then I'm using this really cute black page flag. It was at this point, like towards the second half of the week, that I'd realized how much I just loved the black elements, just the solid black elements in this kit. And so, oh my God, when I put down that flag, I was so obsessed with it. It just looks so great. And then I am layering a cupcake from Rose Colored Days and an It's My Birthday script from Netty Designs. And oh my God, she is such a lifesaver. That's why I love shopping with Netty Designs, because she always ships so quickly. I realized I wanted that sticker kind of last minute, because I had ordered all of my stuff for this kit and for this spread like way in advance. And I think maybe a week before I did this spread, I placed the order for those stickers and they arrived on time. And I was so glad. Thank you so much. She's the best. Okay. Then I put down a half box from Panda Bird Design and layered a pizza icon from Crafts by Thaowie. All I wanted for my birthday was to have pizza and watch Captain America movie, because I am obsessed with Chris Evans, whose birthday is also June 13th, which is just like, I mean, totally a sign in my head that we're perfect for each other. I feel like that's what that means. And I don't know, you could disagree, but you know, you'd be wrong. Just saying. Anyways, on to Sunday. I started by putting a Plan With Me Live script at the top of the page on Sunday, and then added a workout script on top. I used that black and white striped washi again. Yeah, it was super cute. And then the workout script is some Sticky Sloth Designs, and that sports bra icon was from the Pretty Pink Co. I'm adding a half box from the kit, and this half mandala is from Honey Inked. I'm going to add a laundry script from Letters to Apollo to mark washing towels and some sheets. Adulting. And that's pretty much how I complete this spread. We are all finished. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having an amazing day. I'll see you next video. Bye.